Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got painted polish Hold My Butterbeer and Maniology M152. I'm starting off with Anchor and Hearts Iron Anchor as my base coat. And then this lovely polish is from Painted Polish. And it's Hold My Butterbeer. It's so cool. It's got a little funky to it, and you guys know I like that. Alrighty, so here we go. I'm sorry it's a little blurry. We're still working on, anytime I touch anything, we have to tweak it in, so it'll get better, I promise. So here goes the first coat of Hold My Butterbeer. Very sheer on the first coat, but it builds up very nice. Very, very nice. Gotta get Woody out here to help. Thank you, Woody. And here we go with the second coat, and yay, it's more in focus. So here we go. I love this. It's very fall, autumn appropriate. It's brown with all those purples and orange and golds. Ugh, love it. I'm going to top it with Posh Top Coat. And you guys know when I use this top coat here, that means I definitely wore this polish for a day or two on its own before I did my stamping. I do like to do that from time to time. It gives me a moment to look at the polish and kind of decide what I want to do with it. And so I can also enjoy the polish just for what it is. So there we go. Gotta get Woody back out here. Hi Woody, how you doing? Get him to clean up my mess. Here's a swatch photo of it on its own. And this is Maniology M152. And I've got to get this blue film off of it so that I can clean it up and use it. Got my acetone going on, and I always wipe it with a paper towel. This is Maniology's Luna, and that's what I'll be stamping with today. I got my Conad stamper and my Maniology scraper out, and I'm just going to pull some different images from all over this plate. This is kind of a new plate from Maniology, and I figured I better use it before it gets, lost in the collection. Love, love the owl. The year of the owl. I'm kind of digging the owls this year. I'm going to turn this plate around and go for some of these other images. Once I figure out which one I want. This one? No, this one. I love them all, so it's really hard to choose. But I do like mix match manis like this, where they're, they all work together, but they're, each nail's different. There we go. I'm going to clean that off on a lint roller, that stamper off on a lint roller. And I'm not going to bother with cleaning the plate just yet, because I'm just going around and around. Trying to figure out all the ones I want to use. I couldn't resist this funky little tree with the Happy Halloween text under it. I thought that was pretty cute. And it just barely fit on my nail, so thankfully I didn't have to try to shrink it or anything. Ta-da! There we go. Alrighty, what's next? What's next? Okay, we're going to do another of the, I call them full-size images. I don't know if that's correct, but I'm going to use one of these. Love that witch's hat. That is so cute. And this is kind of, it's Halloween, but it's not just straight up Halloween. So I figured that'd be kind of a little bit out of the box, kind of. And I do like doing things that are a little different. Just do them on the autumn shades, but use images that coincide with the holiday, the festivities. Okay, we're all stamped up, so I'm going to clean this plate off with some acetone and then wipe it with a paper towel. Get it cleaned up and ready to put away. I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and get up the excess. I only had it on a couple of fingers that had the, full images on them. So very, very easy cleanup today. Digging that. I am going to break out my acetone though and do a little bit of kind of making sure. This is the making sure part of cleanup. Making sure I got it. There we have it. Very nice. I will be topping everything off with the smudge-free top coat for Maniology, so that I don't smear my design. Now in my swatch photo, it looks like that pointer finger's smeared, but it's not. And then I'm going to top it all off with some Posh. Seal it in, make it glossy. And that is that. So I do hope you enjoyed this manicure. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.